Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to go over some key metrics for crypto.com, something that I'm looking at that you guys got to be aware of right now. We'll take a piece of the price action briefly and see what's going on here in the overall crypto market. But let's hop in, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and I am so excited about anybody that's here watching crypto content at these times because I think things are about to get quite bloody, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And I think the people that are hanging around are going to reap the biggest reward. If CRO comes down to that 3-cent target that I've been talking about, you got a 21% dip, which, hey, at that point, guys, you buy it there, it comes back up, you can make 20% overnight if we get that V-shaped recovery that we're hoping for. But in the meantime, I want to talk to you guys about some key metrics here on this game, which is very spectacular. A lot of people are super excited about it. This is a very addicting game. For those of you that don't know it, it's called Loaded Lions Main City, and it's one of the top games in crypto right now. And crypto.com is one of the top exchanges in the world. But when you look at CoinMarketCap, they don't really show you that, which is very, very interesting. So key metric number 1, Crypto.com exchange is only ranked number 18. Now, they are officially having a red or a green score on CoinMarketCap, which is an improvement because I think they had this classified as, red in the past as it wasn't a verified exchange. Well, they've gotten a little more legitimate. But Bank being a higher rank than Crypto.com makes 0 sense to me because Crypto.com is frankly a bigger exchange. I just don't think that their data is correct here. As a matter of fact, I think they're talking about the Crypto.com institutional exchange, not the Crypto.com app exchange. And that's the big discrepancy that you get here. But I don't think that's really a fair its description. I don't think that's really a fair way for them to go about showing the rank there. So what I'll show you guys is here on CoinGecko what the rank is on CoinGecko for these crypto exchanges. So if we go to crypto exchanges on CoinGecko, you will see that Crypto.com is ranked number 13. So slightly better, but still not quite up at the top of the list. And it's very, very interesting. Now, can this exchange climb up to the top list? Well, I do think there's an argument to be made for it because of the crypto regulation that they've been doing. We talk about this so much on the channel. They have more licenses than any other exchange out there when it comes to global crypto adoption. I think they are poised for the most success, and marketing standpoint, they are also looking really, really good right now. And you can just see that by peeking at their website. But what I want to show you guys is another piece of key metrics. So Crypto.com Research and Insights is a fantastic account, and there was a lot going on over this last week. And if you can just peek into these articles and check in every once in a while, it's going to be a good way for you to understand what's going on in these crypto markets, looking at the weekly market index, looking at the charts of the week, seeing, what the prices are doing. Here you go. ETH flashes on a death cross, which could mean either one thing, guys, or another. This could mean either that the death cross could mean, hey, we're coming down in a big, big way. We broke down below it, and we could potentially break down below in a big way. Typically, when we do break down below a death cross, though, what's good to know, guys, is that you could all of a sudden see a big rally right back up. Historically, death crosses actually have turned into very bullish scenarios because it's oversold at that point is really what it's showing. Now, could there be a further dump? Absolutely. But these are all great analytics to look at. Now, another piece of data I want to peek at is this Crypto.com Loaded Lion Main City game. Now, how significant is it? Well, when you go to the top blockchain gains on DApp Radar and you just open it up and click on all categories, you're not going to see Loaded Lions Main City at the top of the list because it's including Uniswap v3. It's not competing against Uniswap. Look, Main City is a drop. It's a tier drop in a bucket versus Uniswap. But in the game sector, how significant is it? Well, it is good to see that it is currently ranked number 9. Now, when it comes to the newly listed games, boom, boom, boom. Loaded Lions Main City is number 1, which is very, very cool. If you click on games and let's say DeFi, and I think I can select both factors. Well, just in games, it is number 1. So it's cool to see, guys, that on the newly listed games, it is number 1. When you defilter it from newly listed games, it is number 9. And I think it's even been higher up here. It was ranked number 3 or 5 yesterday, but there are new games that are always being launched. So it's interesting to see what's going on right now. But let's take a comparison against some of the top gains out there. So, for example, how is the Loaded Lion main city, again, key metrics for you guys, comparing to Battlefly and Gods Unchained? Well, let's take a peek at it, guys. So here is the main city. You'll see that the UAW, which is the number of unique active wallets interacting or performing a transaction on this game, is 529. There are 2,000 transactions. You can see the volume, of course, it's 62.54K. And you can see this chart to see the historical activity, which is going up, maybe plateauing right now, but it has been going up. We'll see if this thing can continue to climb. We'll be tracking this now on a regular basis. But let's compare it to Gods Unchained. So Gods Unchained has 1,000 unique wallet addresses. It has 8,000 or 9,000 transactions right now, and $695,000 worth of volume for the day. So 695,000 versus 62,000. It's a 10x, guys. It's a 10x difference. 2,000 transactions versus 8,000 transactions. Little under, it's like a 4x for you guys there. So what you're seeing is Gods Unchained is the biggest game in play to earn gaming, in blockchain gaming, and Crypto.com's analytics are only like a little less than 10x smaller, which is actually a significant feat. Now, compared to the number one game, according to this thing, Crypto.com has way better metrics, except for volume. The volume on this game is incredible. More unique wallet addresses, which means more users, less transactions, and, this thing has more volume. That's it. It's only winning in volume. So, overall, this Loaded Lions main city thing is doing well. You just saw my Ableton. I'm actually trying to make some music, guys. But, yeah, so this game is actually performing very, very well right now, guys. I'm very, very excited about it. And frankly, it makes me very bullish on the price action for CRO. As this game gets more popular, more people will download the Crypto.com app. More people will download the Crypto.com wallets. More people will use Crypto.com NFTs. And more people will, in turn, use CRO coin. And when a bull market comes, guys, that's going to prove to be very, very bullish for the Crypto.com token and for the Crypto.com exchange, possibly bringing it up in the ranks to the top 5, maybe even in the top 3 crypto exchanges out there, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.